Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this little Gingy over here. I call her Gingy. But here's how she looks in the light, and I'm going to put this in my cocoa bar. It's not going to be next to the tree here. But I don't have everything set up yet, so this is where it's going to be for now. But if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. Now for this DIY, what I ended up doing is I traced out a gingerbread man, and I used this Halloween foam decor. If you can't find this, I just went ahead and grabbed this one, but you can definitely do this project with like cardboard or even the foam board. So you want to just cut your gingerbread man and then just make sure it fits on your piece that you have, and then I'm just going to cut that out using box cutters or a knife. So I'm just placing a tiny piece of tape up on top so it doesn't move around, and I'm just going to cut it. Once it's cut, I'm going to go in with Mod Podge because this is foam and I don't want pieces flying around. So I'm going to go in with Mod Podge and I'm just going to pat it on the outer layer so that way everything stays in place. And now it's time to paint it. I'm going to go in with this golden brown by Craft Smart, and I'm just going to paint that. But of course your gingerbread man can be any color you'd like. But before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified when I upload videos like this one. And as you see here, I'm just going in with white paint and I'm going to make the decoration or the frosting for little Gingy here. Now I'm going to also add glitter on it before it's dry. So I'm going to take my white glitter and I'm just going to sprinkle it onto the white paint before it's dry. I also forgot to mention, it's not in the video, but I covered the back with black felt. You can use brown felt. I just didn't have brown felt on hand, so I just used black. So that way the decoration for the Halloween decoration, I don't remember what it said back there, but that way that part doesn't show. So go ahead and cover your little Gingy with felt on the back, but if you're using foam board, you can just paint the back as well. Here I'm adding some of the frosting as if it like dropped on her head, and I'm going to add glitter onto that as well. And I'm going to add a few confetti pieces to it before it's dry, and a little red pom-pom, which is like the cherry on top, I guess. I forgot to mention that everything in this video was from Dollar Tree. Even that wheel that you see in my hand with the confetti inside, those are all from Dollar Tree. So the only thing that was not from Dollar Tree is the glitter, but everything else is from Dollar Tree. What I really like about this project, you guys, and I think I'm going to do it, is that you can create different sizes of gingerbread men, or maybe snowman if you'd like, and create the entire family like standing on a paint stick. So maybe I'll do that and I'll share it in my upcoming videos where I'm just gonna have them standing on a paint mixing stick and have each one's name on there. So like mom, dad, or you can just have welcome to our home. So it's really cool, like, because foam is very easy to just work with. So you can literally do the entire family standing on Jenga pieces even, or a long mixing stick. And you got the whole family there. So I think I'm going to do that next. But I'm just going to take the white paint, and instead of buttons, I'm going to make little hearts, and I'm just going to draw in the face. But I'm sprinkling here pink glitter while the paint is still wet. Now for this part, I wanted to use something that almost everyone has, or I'm assuming everyone does have. So the 2-ounce bottles, I'm going to use that as a guide, and I'm just going to trace a circle for the eyes of little Gingy here. So after I trace it with a pencil, I'm going to outline it with white paint, and then I'm going to let that dry, and I'm just going to finish up the eyes. And while that's drying though, I'm going to go in with this cherry cobbler by Craft Smarts, and I'm going to make the nose here for little Gingy, and then I'm going to use black puffy paint for the mouth. I know she kind of looks scary right now, but trust the process and she's gonna look adorable. Look at that smile. But here's how she looks. I'm going to set that aside to dry because it's not dry yet. And now I'm going to go in with this chocolate bar by Apple Barrel, and I'm going to paint a cutting board. This is a cutting board from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to paint the entire thing, but of course you can use any brown you have on hand. And I know it's not fully dry yet, but I was just so excited I just had to finish it off. I'm going in with white and red. They look like candy cane straws. So what I did here is I just took a straw and cut it in half, and I do have a sticker on top of it, which I'm going to switch from that little candy to a yellow foam ball. So that way it looks like a candy cane lane light, I guess. So, and that Christmas tree is a foam sticker, which I just put that there using hot glue, and I'm going in with white paint and I'm just decorating the cutting board. One last thing for little Gingy, I'm going to take this little bow and I'm just going to hot glue it on top of her head there. And I found this yarn. I've had it for a while. I can't remember where I got it from, but it's easy to bend, and I just created like a little candy cane, and I'm just going to apply some hot glue on her arm as if she's holding the candy cane. Now here's the part I was telling you about. I ended up taking that sticker off, and instead I placed one golden foam ball, the glittered ones from Dollar Tree, and that's it. It was such an easy project, you guys, and I think I'm going to do what I was telling you, where I have the whole family standing side by side, and I'm going to label each one. But I want to hear from you. What do you think? So be sure to stop by my comment section and let me know what you think. I might add a scarf to little Gingy here, but overall, she's going to be in my cocoa bar, and I think she's adorable. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.